guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into her. I ain't got time to play. I ain't got time to mess around. Y'all see her? Period. I had to come on here for one time, for the folks in the back that be saying I always come on here looking a mess. But I come on here and living in my truth. If I come on here all the time, hair done, lashes done, makeup done, it's fake. It's a facade. I know I don't always look like that. I try to be as transparent as I can as possible with my followers, with my subscribers, with my supporters, wherever y'all want to be called. Even though it's like a little bit of y'all, I still fuck with y'all. I still appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for the people that don't leave rude comments. Thank you so much. About my appearance, I can look good, but sometimes, look, I'm a working mother, single mother. I be having shit going on, and when I be looking good, I don't be feeling like recording content. Cause 9 out of 10, I done did everything I done on me. Did my lashes, did my hairs, or whatever. Vlog coming out soon. If it don't drop before this video, it's probably not. But yeah, so if y'all can tell by the title, enough rumbling. If y'all can tell by the title, then yeah, y'all know what we finna get into. We finna get into some money on things, y'all. I'm finna start this little series where I tell you guys exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and how I'm making extra money at home. Cause time is hard. I know everybody trying to make some passive income, some extra income, any way they can, anywhere they can, where they can. So boom, y'all. So this is, I'm actually making money from a lot of different things, and we're gonna get into that. If y'all want to let me, yeah, if y'all want me to touch on it specifically every topic, then cool. So I'm gonna name a few things, but they're not gonna be really mentioned in this video. This video is solely gonna be purposely focused on Instagram and Facebook, because that's my highest paid platform right now, and it's the easiest platform I done ever had to get invited to make some money from. All other platforms, honestly, I really had to do a lot of work, and honestly, I did have to do a lot of work for this, but I wish I would have known certain things sooner. If somebody would have told me, because I was just like y'all, researching, looking upon everywhere, looking under every rock, every nook, every cranny and stuff like that, looking for the answer, honey, and nobody would give it to you. And then when I bought ebook courses, they were not what I needed. They didn't even hit the target. It just basically tells you enough information for you to come back and want more. See, me, yes, from our last video, yes, I did say I was going to create an ebook, and I did create an ebook. If y'all want to get that ebook, I just dropped it last night, and it's very affordable. It's $3.99, $3.99. It took me a while to make it, so that's why it took so long, and that is why, like, you know, I'm pricing it real low, because y'all, I'm still a small content creator. I still have some things that I don't have figured out, but certain platforms I got down to a T. I know what's gonna pop, I know what's gonna go viral, I know what's gonna get traction, and I know what's gonna get views, and I know what's gonna get engagement. So boom, I done conquered just about every platform. My hardest platforms right now for me to grow, I feel like, is TikTok and YouTube. Those are the two platforms I have to really, like, you know, master. And honestly, I wasn't focused on it. Honestly, I came into the TikTok game late. I started TikTok mainly as a business. My business page got over 100K, but the engagement is slowly dying on there, and I need to do something with that as well, and I'm going to tell y'all, I'm going to get into that right there. So the easiest platform for me to make money and for me to go viral and me to get views, because I have the most following right now currently on Instagram. My second closest following is, I would say, TikTok, and then my next in following, no, Twitter. Wait, Twitter is my highest platform. I do make money from Twitter. If you know, you know. So I'm naming some things. I do make money from Twitter. Instagram is my second highest platform, then TikTok, and then Facebook, and then YouTube. No, Threads in there too, but I ain't getting paid from Threads. I'm just naming all the stuff that I can make money from right now. So I'm finna get on that tease too, on how to make money from Threads, because I'm almost there. I just gotta, it's like a following threshold you gotta pass from Instagram. So I got it set up like, I want to make money on one account. I want to make money on Threads, and one account I want to make money on Facebook. I'm going to explain it real quick to y'all, and I'm going to give you guys some key points from my ebook as well. Let me pull it up, so you guys can know pretty much what it's going to be about and what you're purchasing, you know, for that little $3.99. Honestly, I really feel like I should have priced it more than that, because I do give I'm straight to the point. Like, I don't sugarcoat anything. I literally tell you what to do, break it down every step by step. Literally, the only thing I don't tell you how to do is literally write your bio, because you got to come up with that. Be unique, you know what I'm saying? Be different, jump out the box, you know? So this video is basically going to be about how you make money from Instagram and Facebook. Granted, I do not have a bonus yet. You have to do some outlandish to get a bonus. Honestly, you gotta have so many followers to get a bonus, and also your content gotta be so clean to get a bonus and keep a bonus. They can take that bonus from you right quick. And I just quickly learned from, because I don't have bonuses, I have ads on Reels. So boom, y'all, I done started this page. I know I told y'all in my last video I started this page, but last year, it just has been a year since I started the page, and I'm over 22k, 23k, something like that on Instagram. So, and I quickly, within 2 months, I quickly grew to from I didn't even know I was getting followers over there. So boom, when I finally linked my Facebook, and I told you guys this in the last video, I finally linked my Facebook at the end of June. I finally created another Facebook and linked it to my Instagram at the end of June. These steps is going to be in the ebook, so follow along. So I finally hooked it up, and that's when I just went back on there to check. I was like, shit, I ain't checked on my Facebook in so long, because I already had it linked to where like my Instagram posts will automatically post on my Facebook. So I really wasn't checking it. I said, shit, I don't even know why I even did it, and I don't know what made me do it, but something made me say, oh, build your Facebook following to at least 10k. I thought you had to have 10k to get any types of money on Facebook, and that's further from the truth. Like, I was making money at 2k followers, y'all, and I didn't even know I had 2k followers. I didn't even know I was making money until I got back on there. I had, you know, left the page alone after I had made it, and I came back in the middle of July, and it said I had like $33 and some change on there. I was like, okay, cool. Okay, so I got offered to do ads on Reels, and I ain't even been on here for real, and I ain't really had no viral videos yet on Facebook. I didn't have no I have viral videos on Instagram, but I haven't had no viral videos to go viral on Facebook, because I had just linked my Facebook, and most of my viral videos happened earlier this year and stuff like that. And it happened, I did have some viral videos in July and in August. That's why my August payout was so much, because I had like 2 or 3 viral videos that hit over a milli, over 2 mil as well, and that's why my payout was like $600 and something. So my friend, I told you in the last video that he was like, oh bitch, if you don't go repost that viral content on Facebook and see if it go viral on there, and it did, don't worry. If you're looking at this video and you have a platform and you're not making money from it, and you want to find out a way to make money, this is the easiest way. This is what I say. We're gonna get into affiliate marketing. We're gonna get into, not affiliate marketing, but affiliate links, making money from that and all the extra stuff in another video, in a more in-depth video. This is like the basics, because I'm gonna just give you guys a synopsis of what's in my ebook and what you're gonna learn, and you know what I'm saying, how to make money really quick. All that affiliate stuff, that takes time. Y'all want to know how to make money fast. Even though I do make money from affiliate links, I make money all over, honestly. I couldn't tell you. It's insane. Like, in the next coming couple months, like, I see like a change in my life, and I see like a change for greater, because like, y'all, like, I'm so excited. But look, so boom, once you have an Instagram, if you don't even have an Instagram, why are you looking at this video? If you ain't even already content creating, I feel like, why are you looking at this video? But some people might be trying to get into content creating, so I'm not going to be mean. So that's why I did the basics. I did a tab on the basics. The basic is, you should already have an account. Creator account. Make sure your bio is, you know what I'm saying, catchy. Make sure your username is easy to remember, catchy, and all that good stuff. I'm not going to give you guys all the teas. So, you know, after you found your niche, all that extra stuff, start making content. Start making relatable, shareable, most of all shareable, and also most of all relatable, and most of all shareable. When your content is relatable and shareable, they be like, oh, I can relate to that, or that's some outlandish, that's some off the wall. Let me share that video. Let me share it to my friend. Let me share it to the group chat, because I can relate, we can relate, somebody can relate, or this is real funny. That's how you want to think. You want to think as a viewer. Would I watch this video, or would I keep scrolling? Would I share this video to my friends, or would I keep scrolling? Would I share this video to my story, or would I keep scrolling? That's what you gotta do, sonny. But after you link your Instagram and your Facebook together, y'all, where you can post and cross post, you know, just post on Instagram and then automatically posts on Facebook, you're in there like booty hair. Don't mind it. Don't mind the views, because you're not going to get a lot of views at first. You're not going to, you know what I'm saying, blow out that quick. Like, I would say my success was actually slow. You know, I'm just now making money from Instagram. And yeah, I was making money from other platforms, but I'm just now making money from Instagram and Facebook. So it's just insane. If you're looking for that, then this video is for you. This ebook is for you. So you're going to find you a niche, you know what I'm saying, get some catchy captions, and just have fun with it. I feel like once I started making money for real, I started being more serious with it. Like, cause back I'm like, now I'm making money because now I want to make the money. Now I want to go viral because like I know how much money I can make while I'm going viral. So I feel like it also helps to go viral on Instagram first and then go viral on, because they will automatically go viral on Facebook. Facebook is where I get paid. So I don't get Instagram bonuses. I don't get all that stuff. It's for the people that wants to know how to get around that and still get paid. So let me give you guys some more tips before we go. Grab the viewer's attention in 3.5 seconds. If it's a video you talking 5 reasons why, have you ever, just say some off-the-wall shit and be like, oh, no, she did not say that. Oh, yes, I did. Yes, I did. Let them keep watching your video. That is another thing that helps in your engagement as well. Let's see. Share your content in engagement groups as well. So like if you're on Facebook and you finally get on Facebook, find them little groups, content creating groups that want to support each other, that want to share content. I promise you it works. It helps your engagement. Share, 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 share. Okay, make sure you have 5 to 15 hashtags in your Instagram bio. I feel like Instagram is really not bio but caption for your videos. Instagram is really wishy-washy with the hashtags. So sometimes you can post hashtags, sometimes you can't post hashtags, your video go viral. So just play around with that, play around with it and see what hashtags work for you. I feel like once you see one video go viral with them hashtags, use the same hashtags for the rest until it can't work no more. Okay, cool. Let's see. I'm not gonna give y'all all the teas. Let me give y'all one key point as well. Do not, okay, so I had to learn this. I didn't learn this until I started getting paid and until I started doing more of my research. Like, okay, so boom, my tricks and my tips is to save myself on like doing so much work and stuff. I record videos on TikTok first. I save them before I post them. I didn't know this. You can save it before you post it, with the sound, the words, and everything. Save it before you post it so it don't have the watermark on there. Then post it to Instagram, then it automatically posts it to Facebook. So it just keeps the cycle, But also, guys, you do want to, like, I don't know why I'm like stuttering and I don't know why I'm getting tongue twisted. Like, oh my gosh, this happens every time I talk about something serious. But yeah, so also, when you are on these different platforms, make sure you're switching up your content. So see me on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Facebook and Instagram and TikTok kind of all the same, but I mix it up a little bit for TikTok. Instagram don't get all my TikTok teas. You know, Facebook, they get different content as well. But boom, so YouTube get different content as well. So like, just switch it up. You know, be all around. Be like, oh, make your followers that's already on the platform, give them a reason to want to follow you to another platform so they can see a different side of you. You know, that's why I urge a lot of people to follow me on YouTube, because this is a different side of me. Like, this is a different side of the coin, behind all the goofiness on my videos, behind all the little, you know, little teas, behind all the wild stuff I say. Like, I literally, like, I be trolling so bad, like on Instagram. They be eating me up in them comments. And y'all, that's another key fact that I'm gonna give y'all. Don't look at them comments. Don't read them comments. Celebrities don't read their comments. You gotta think of yourself as a celebrity. Don't read them comments, because it's gonna discourage you. It's gonna get you in your feels. And honey, I promise you, you're gonna be arguing with them Twitter finger warriors all day. So don't even bother. Just ignore the comments. Matter of fact, turn your notifications off. Simple. Try to respond to some, you know, positive comments, but for the most part, don't pay to post no mind. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. But boom, y'all, so that is basically how you start making money. Once you link your Instagram to your Facebook and start like consistently posting 1 to 3 reels a day, you know, keeping it up, they're gonna eventually offer you ads on reels. Not even eventually, I got that shit literally less than a month for real. So just keep that in mind. You do not have to have 10K followers on Facebook, and I'm not sure if you have to have 10K followers on Instagram, because I actually linked my Instagram and my Facebook after I had 10K followers on Instagram. I linked it actually too late. Honestly, I feel like if I would have linked my Facebook and made me a Facebook when I first started this shit, I would have been up. And I can't get mad at nobody but myself, because you know how many videos I got millions of views on, even hundreds of thousands of views on. Like, oh my god. I just, every time I think about it, I just be like, you stupid. How could you? not do your, I just gave up on it because y'all, I was like, nobody's literally giving out no information, nobody's helping me, nobody's doing this. Like, that's why I was like, you know what, I'm finna be the advocate for all the girls. I'm not finna keep paying hundreds of dollars for ebooks that don't work. The fuck? Got y'all, got us stuck. Hell is you saying? But yeah, y'all, so the ebook will be in the description box below. It's about 5 long pages, and it also, like, it doesn't beat around the bush. I tell you what you want to know, and I tell you how to get it done. If you don't follow them steps, if you don't do everything I say, then hey, it's on you. It's okay to add a little razzle dazzle, but you know what I'm saying, not too much. But yeah, so make sure y'all go get that in the description box below, y'all. Make sure y'all like this video, and subscribe to my channel, because period. Make sure y'all turn on that notification bell so y'all can get updated when I upload. Yeah, bye.